Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can set your repository on GitHub to read only in 2026. So let us dive into this. So guys, navigate to repository on GitHub and let's assume you would like to restrict access to your repository because, I don't know, you and your team members have stopped working on it or have completed every projects and issues within it, but you don't want to delete it. You just want to restrict access to it and leave it at read-only without adding any changes or edits to it. This is how you can do it. You will need to archive your repository. To do that, navigate to its settings. From there, navigate to general. And here scroll all the way down till you get to this section here. And what you will need to do, guys, is select this option, archive this repository. Because then in this case, the repository will not only be archived, but also become read-only. Click into this button and there you go. You have the further explanation here. And as previously mentioned, all workflows, all projects, all items within the repository will stop running and working because the repository will be archived. Of course, you can unarchive these anytime. And yeah, what you need to do, guys, as a final step is to enter the exact name of the repository here. You can also copy paste it, as you can see. Just make sure that there's no typo, and after that click into this button to archive the repository, and there it is. It is now read-only, as you can see. That's how it works, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.